Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility and preparing the system. You must enable Linux, Crostini, from Settings, and if prompted, enable Developer Mode. This gives access to underlying tools. Once done, update the Linux container with apt update and apt upgrade so packages install cleanly. Make sure to back up personal files before toggling modes. You now have the environment ready to modify system flags and install required packages for the next step. Next, you install Android support into the prepared environment. First, enable any necessary flags in Chrome, //flags, or use the built-in Play Store toggle in Settings. These allow Arc or container creation. Then, inside the Linux terminal, install the dependencies and run the setup script that initializes the Android container. Once the container builds, you must grant storage and account access to let apps install. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts so Google Play components register correctly with Chrome OS Flex. Finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. This ties app installs to your profile. You should update Google Play services and install needed apps, granting permissions when requested. Once apps are installed, reboot the device to ensure services start cleanly. If something goes wrong, check the Linux and Arc logs for errors. Then try toggling the Play Store off and on or reinstalling the Android container. This often resolves registration or service startup problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.